like to introduce with the homemade hand sanitizer holder, which can be powered with the help of the leg. So you need not have to touch your hands. So your hands are full of germs and virus, so that it will get here. So that's why the idea here is you can power with the help of the leg. So when I push this down, so the hand sanitizer inside just pumps out. So the mechanism here is that I have tied a string, and then I bring down. I just hold it here with with some sticks, and then the string just goes down. So here is the elastic band, so which acts as a spring, and so when I push this down, the string just automatically pulls down the hand sanitizer, so it pumps out from inside. So this is the homemade hand sanitizer holder. So I have installed it outside my room, so whenever I go inside, I make sure my hand gets sanitized. So in order to get rid of the viruses in my hand, and I follow the 7 steps, and I do it for 20 seconds.